Have you ever looked at your financial life and thought, man, I need to split this thing in two? Maybe you want to separate your long-term investments from your short-term goals, or perhaps you're managing finances for yourself and a family member. Whatever the reason, you are probably wondering, can I have two Wealthsimple accounts? That's a great question, and one that a lot of people ask. The short answer is, it depends. Let's dive into the details. First off, let's talk about the different types of Wealthsimple accounts. There's Wealthsimple Invest, which is for investing your money in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and ETFs. Then there's Wealthsimple Trade, which allows you to buy and sell individual stocks and ETFs. And finally, there's Wealthsimple Cash, which is a high-interest savings account. Now, can you have multiple accounts within each of these platforms? Absolutely. Wealthsimple allows you to open as many invest, trade, or cash accounts as you want. This is great if you want to separate your money based on goals, risk tolerance, or even just for organizational purposes. But what about having different types of accounts? Can you have an invest account and a trade account, for instance? Again, the answer is yes. You can have as many of each type of account as you want. This gives you a lot of flexibility in how you manage your money. However, there are a few things to consider when opening multiple Wealthsimple accounts. First, there's the time and effort involved in managing multiple accounts. It can be a bit of a hassle to keep track of everything, especially if you have a complex financial situation. Second, there are fees to consider. While Wealthsimple offers a lot of fee-free services, there are some fees associated with certain account types and activities. If you have multiple accounts, these fees can add up. Third, there are tax implications to be aware of. Depending on your financial situation and the types of accounts you have, you may need to consider tax implications. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor or tax professional if you have questions about this. So, to summarize, you can absolutely have multiple Wealthsimple accounts. Whether or not it's the right decision for you depends on your individual financial situation and goals. If you're considering opening multiple accounts, it's important to weigh the pros and cons carefully. And remember, Wealthsimple offers a variety of resources to help you make informed decisions about your money. Their website and app have plenty of information, and you can always reach out to their customer support team with questions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.